Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's been a minute, but life has been high-lifing and we're back at it. Let's just put it that way. When life give you lemons, you make orange juice. Anyway, in today's video, we're gonna do a shoe review of a shoe I purchased recently, maybe 2 months ago. And yeah, we're gonna see if it was worth it or not. Let's get right into the video. So we're going to review Saint Laurent, one of my favorite designer brands. Was it worth it? So the shoe that I bought is called the Tribute Flat, and I didn't do an unboxing or anything. I bought them because I was like, yo, I needed some good black flats that's gonna last me and that's not going to kill my feet. I love Tory Burch, but her Miller sandals cut into my foot so bad. I love the jellies because the logo on the top isn't too big, so they're petite, and I like how petite it looks on my foot. It doesn't look bulky because I don't have big feet. But my foot, I have a higher arch on my right foot than I do on my left, so it really cuts into my foot. Let me tell you, you know when I say breaking shoes, those shoes broke in my foot. And I have like a scar on the top of each foot from the Miller jellies. I love them still. They've adjusted to my foot now, but it took a while and it really hurt. So I was like, I don't, and two, when I tend to wear them because they are so constricting, my foot tends to swell after a while, especially if I've been walking up and down or I've been sitting for a long while. My feet tend to swell. So yeah, went on a hunt. I saw these a couple years ago. What would I say, years ago, maybe a year or two ago, on Nordstrom, and I was like, oh, these look so nice, but are they gonna look good on my foot? How is it gonna be with my arch? That's what really got me going. I was like, nah, I don't need them. Then I saw a girl on Instagram and she had like, her foot was arched similar to mine. I was like, maybe. He said, no, you know what, let me buy them. If they don't fit, I'm gonna return them right there in Nordstrom because I had them delivered to the store. So yes, here we are. They come in a nice black box with all the nice black wrappings. They come in dust bags, as they should. And they're dirty. I wore them to death. Here they are. The Tribute Sandals by Saint Laurent. I bought them in a size 38. Beautiful shoe. They're very comfortable. Are they worth it? Totally. Totally. I mean, one of the most comfortable shoes I've worn, given that my arch on my right foot is usually the one that's problematic. So yeah, the only con that I would give this shoe is the logo started rubbing off by my second wear. I've worn these shoes to death. The soles are still intact. They're nice. They're not ridden down. They're dirty, of course, because it's the floor. But really beautiful shoe, really comfortable. I have no complaints besides that. I wore them through the airport. I wore them on my trip going, on my trip back. I wore them to lunch. I wore them to dinner. I wore them to dinner here in New Jersey. I wore them on vacation. They're comfortable. My feet did not swell once in these. Really comfortable shoe. Are they worth it? Yes. I have no scuffs, no scratches on the leather, nothing like that. They are completely leather. I know some people like, oh, they think they run slightly small, but for me, French and Italian sizes, I always order a 38. It's just what it is. I don't know what the size difference is. On the site it would say 37 equals a size 7, but for me on my foot it doesn't. So I was up for the 38. If I don't know how that's helpful to you, but yes, especially those of you who have higher arches like mine. Like my arch isn't complete, like so high, but it's high enough that it'll cause a problem. So yeah, that brings me to the end of my review. Really, it's leather on the top, it's leather sole and everything. The only con I say, if you're one of those people that just be like, oh, I want to leave my shoes at the door and everybody needs to see that it's Saint Laurent, I would not recommend these, because as you can see, the logo does rub off. Otherwise, comfortable shoe. I highly recommend. And that is all from me. If you have any other questions that you think I can answer, leave them down in the comments and we'll see how we can answer them. I'll also leave the link down below. And I'll see y'all in my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye!